Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You're starting with the essentials: power, paper, and connection. First, plug the PD460 into AC or ensure the battery has charged so print's complete without interruption. Load the photo paper and insert the ink cartridge until you feel the click. This ensures proper contact for accurate color. Once done, dock your phone or connect via Bluetooth or USB. Make sure your device lists PD460. This immediate sequence prevents errors later and gets you ready to print. Now you'll prepare the file and printer settings to match the media. Open the Kodak app or your photo app, pick the image, and crop to the intended frame so nothing important is cut off. Next, choose size, color profile, and print quality. Select a glossy or matte paper setting to match what's loaded, because mismatch affects color density. After previewing, set the number of copies and confirm layout. When everything looks right, tap Print to transmit the job to the PD460. Finish by allowing the PD460 to complete its process. Gently remove photos by the edges to avoid fingerprints. If you notice streaks, banding, or blank areas, run a head cleaning cycle from the settings and reinsert or realign the ink cartridge. This clears clogs and restores nozzle alignment. If the job won't start or the device disappears, reboot both the printer and your phone, then repair Bluetooth or plug the USB back in. That simple restart resolves most communication faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.